Good morning, children. How your study is going on? ऐसा ना हो मैं आपको लेसन पढ़ाती जाऊं और आप उसको साथ साथ रिवाइज ना करें, फिर इकट्ठा बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स आपको आएंगी। इसलिए मेरे साथ साथ आप लेसन को रिवाइज भी करते चलें, उसे समझने की कोशिश करते चलें। जहाँ जो समझ में नहीं आ रहा है उसे आप ग्रुप पर मुझसे बराबर डिस्कस करते रहें। डू यू हैव एनी डिफिकल्टी? टेल मी। ठीक है, ओके। तो नाउ वी विल बिगिन फ्रॉम आवर न्यू पैराग्राफ। बिफोर स्टार्टिंग दिस, I just want to refresh you that the author was traveling from Delhi to Bareilly by train, and it was moving slowly and stopped at each station on the way. He has given a description of what he saw during his journey. And now, at one station, my routine of talking with the people was interrupted. Now, the writer is describing his journey and he says that at one station, my routine of talking with the people, it was his routine. It has become his routine that he used to talk to the people who were wandering on the platform. So this routine was interrupted. Write down the meaning. Note down the difficult word. Write down the meaning. Interrupted means disturbed. So in other words, we can say that the routine of the writer of talking with the people was disturbed at one station. Why? क्यों? As soon as I alighted means got down, नीचे उतरना. As soon as I alighted, a group of young children gathered around me. A group means herd of young children gathered around me. जैसे ही राइटर ट्रेन से नीचे प्लेटफॉर्म पर उतरता है, a group of young children, some children gathered around him and they were selling baskets. What they were doing? क्यों उन्होंने राइटर को घेर लिया? Because they were selling baskets. वो baskets बेच रहे थे. Baskets कैसी हैं? Hand woven means handmade. Reed basket. Reed means बांस होता है जिससे baskets बुनी जाती हैं. With simple designs. The designs of these handmade baskets were simple and patterned. और उस पर कुछ पैटर्न बने हुए थे. They held the baskets high. These children were holding their baskets high and shouting. They were crying in loud words I didn't know, but conveying unmistakably their desire. The writer could not follow their language, so he couldn't understand what these children were crying. But it was quite clear for him that they were conveying means giving the message, in a saying. Unmistakably means definitely their desire. What was their desire? They wanted to sell their baskets. Now see the next paragraph number 5. These were refugee children, means the children who gathered around the writer were refugee children. Refugee Refugee, you know? Refugee is a person who has taken shelter in another country. Refugee is a children who has taken shelter in another country. यानी कि शरणार्थी. So the children who gathered around the writer were refugee children. When partition between India and Pakistan was decreed means declared. At the time of partition between India and Pakistan, these refugees, hundreds of thousands of people. At the time of the partition, hundreds and thousands of people pulled up their roots. Pulled up their roots means they have lost their permanent residence. At the time of the partition of the country, thousands of people lost their permanent residence and changed their residence, and they had to change their residence. 9 million people left Pakistan. The writer is saying that at that time, at least 9 million people had to left Pakistan and came to India, and they came to India driven by a fear of religious fanaticism. Fanaticism, you know? Fanaticism is mistaken zeal or enthusiasm for one's religion. Fanaticism is mistaken zeal or enthusiasm for one's religion. The writer wants to say कि ये जितने लोग थे 9 मिलियंस लोग जो थे पाकिस्तान से धर्म के डर से भागकर इंडिया आए. They were poor people. ये लोग कौन थे? They were poor people to start with. Means the writer saw the refugees in a large number at railway station and got down to know how they were leading a poor life. In the beginning of their life in Pakistan, they were poor people. Do you understand? When they started their long journey to India, when they were poorer, they began their long trek. Trek means journey. Their long journey to India, they had to leave most of their belongings in Pakistan. यानी कि पाकिस्तान में ही ये लोग बहुत गरीब थे, और जब इन्होंने अपनी यात्रा शुरू की इंडिया के लिए तो ये और भी ज़्यादा गरीब हो गए, क्योंकि रास्ते में इनकी चीज़ें सब खत्म होती चली गई, खोती चली गई, और ये कितना सामान अपने साथ ला सकते थे. तो they began their long trek, for all they could carry was a bit of food. जो कुछ अपने साथ ला सकते थे, that was a bit of food and few belongings. अपने साथ थोड़ा बहुत ही ये सामान ला सकते थे. Soon they were out of food. अब खाना भी उनके पास कितने दिन चल सकता था? जल्दी ही क्या हुआ? They were out of food. They had no food to survive them. A few days after they started, they began to fall at the wayside from the weakness of hunger and died where they fell. Very pitiable condition. The writer is describing that they had to leave most of their belongings in Pakistan, and thus they became poorer. Whatever food materials they could bring, they finished them on the way. Do you understand? Then they had to face hunger. They had grown so weak due to hunger and weakness that they could not go further. They started falling down on the roadside. They died where they fell. So we have finished this paragraph also. Now you will revise it and इसको आप तैयार करेंगे फॉर योर एक्सप्लेनेशन विद योर रेफरेंस, कॉन्टेक्स्ट, एक्सप्लेनेशन एंड क्रिटिकल कमेंट्स. इसमें क्रिटिकल कमेंट्स में देखिए आपके पास 2 वर्ड्स आए हैं. रेफ्यूजी, उनको आप एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं. फैंटेसिज्म, ये सब आप एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं, बता सकते हैं. द राइटर हैज गिवन अ पिटेबल कंडीशन, डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ द रेफ्यूजीज चिल्ड्रन. तो कल आप इसको प्रिपेयर करके लाइए. ओके, नाउ वी विल मीट.